Are you kidding me?
Three-way split, huh?
I guess we'll have to each take a corridor.
Nope.
Look, I'm going the right way. Yeah, we're going back. How nice of you. You're here? Nah. How could I forget you, Twitch Master? You don't have your friends to help you. Are you kidding me? What is this?
And who are you supposed to be, eh?
My name is Twitch Master.
Well, listen,
Twitch Master.
I don't really have time for Earth Master.
Wrong, oh? You make it sound like I'm some kind of minion. You're a minion! What? You gotta stop this! I've got my own agenda. You're a minion! You make it sound like I'm some kind of minion. What? You're a minion! Has my whole life been a lie? You gotta stop this! Minion, but
What exactly is going on?
you gotta stop this! No! No!
What exactly is going on?
Minion. I still have my Yu-Gi-Oh card!